Today I'm going to walk you through how I go about building a frame for hanging balloon garlands or vinyl banners, and how I make it out of using PVC pipe. Stay tuned. So here are the items that you're going to need. I went to my local hardware store, department store, which is Home Depot, and I purchased two 10 feet, 3/4 inch PVC pipes. I cut them down into 6 feet, and the next size is going to be 30 inches, and then the pipes that were left I cut down into 9-inch in length sizes. You're also going to need this 4-way connector, which I could not get from Home Depot. They didn't carry that, so I had to order it from Amazon. You're going to need the 90 degree elbow, 2 of them, zip ties, this PVC pipe cutter, a marker, and a measuring tool. So basically, you're going to use the marker to mark. You're going to use the measuring tape measure to measure out your lengths that you need. Oh, and by the way, I was able to cut it at Home Depot. They would not do it for me, but I had to purchase it first and then go back to their cutting board and cut the pipes myself. But when I got home and I did some more measurements, I decided that I needed to make some trims. So that's where the PVC cutter came in hand. So at Home Depot, I actually used a little jigsaw to cut it. It was really easy. But so is using this device. It's easy as well. Now I'm just gonna go about putting the pieces together to make the frame. There are some caps that you can put on the end of these pieces to finish it and make it look more polished and professional. You can also get spray paint and spray it whatever color you need to tie into your balloon garland that you're using, or for your vinyl banner that you're hanging. Right now this is just white, and it's gonna work for the project that I'm gonna do.